My name is Nikolai Slavov. I'm an associate professor at Northeastern University, and I'm a founding director of Parallel Squared Technology Institute. Our research is generally in the area of single-cell protein analysis using mass spectrometry. Most of the functions in our bodies are performed by protein molecules. They're highly varied and they interact in complex ways, very numerous and very difficult to analyze. But nonetheless, many of the pathological processes, for example in neurodegenerative diseases, affect proteins directly and cannot be understood without being able to directly analyze proteins at very high scale. Or similarly with cancers, oftentimes what goes wrong with cancers are the signaling mechanisms that instruct cells to grow and divide or die, and those signaling mechanisms are by and large mediated by modifications of proteins. So a big part of what our research has enabled is the ability to analyze these proteins and their modifications. And this is an area that was considered very, very challenging, in fact impossible, before we started working in it. This award was absolutely essential for us to carry on the research that we did, because it happened at an early point when we proposed to do something that the majority of established senior investigators believed impossible. And in fact, the evidence and the data abundantly vindicated our view that the technology can be developed and can be highly useful. And by now, this has been independently reproduced by many groups and widely adopted by others. So this award has really helped catalyze a massive change in the thinking of the scientific community about what is possible.